All right. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, and good day, regardless from where you're going to be watching this recorded video. I am Jayvan FX right here on YouTube. Okay. So, the news today on the US dollar was crazy, not good enough. Let's look at this. So the dollar dropped all the way to the downside from here, all the way, and now it's gradually picking up. All right, because the news was like ups and downs, something like that. We're expecting a good strong dollar. Yeah, the dollar. And now AUD, NZD2 that were up since yesterday, now they're going down, down. And the dollar and the euro is picking up. The pounds are already picked up already. And we're just going to see how it's going to end up today, finally. All right. Okay. So right here, let's quickly look at all right, let's go to the charts and let's see. So there's something actually I want to talk about today, not actually trading right now. I don't think I want to trade right now because I'm already trading on this one. Euro USD did not take the trade, the retracements. Always afraid of taking a retracement trade. I'm not too good in trading retracement, but for a particular strange reason, hopefully maybe in the nearest weeks to come, I'm going to be trading retracement trade once I see them. But first of all, I must fully accomplish that that the market is ready to buy or sell on the daily time frame when it comes to retracement trade. I don't know what's going on with my phone. Let's see. All right. Okay. Nothing to show right here. All right, let's unback the internet. All right. So this buy for some good skillful traders, they already took advantage of this buy here. So once the market started going all the way to the upside, they capitalized on the buy and they bought the market massively, unlike myself that I did not buy. Right? Yes. I did not buy the market. And now the market bought all the way to this level. So that was my own bad being afraid of trading a retracement because this is a retracement trade, okay, guys? So long term, the market is going to go down. This is the weekly Fibonacci right here. Okay, the weekly confirmation Fibonacci. So I just adjust my stop loss to the above the weekly Fibonacci and take profit that is going to be here. So if the dollar gets stronger, then we're going to see the market push all the way to the downside. So I'm going to be waiting to see some kind of, you know, I'm going to be waiting for the market to show me something important. You know, market is going down, the dollar is beginning to pick up. I really want the dollar to get stronger so that we can sell the market to the downside. So I'm going to be waiting because at this junction, these guys are crazy. Why are they working at the time I'm coming live? Why? Oh God damn. These guys are really fucking crazy. Disturbing my ears. They're disturbing my ear. You're not supposed to be doing this work right now. All right, everybody got to do your stuff. So right here, the market test this level and pushed up, nice coming, trying to come down. So I really love the market to close a bearish candle so I can short the market next week, because this is a higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So after I high, a retracement must come. So I'm expecting price to drop down more, you know, like somewhere here, like I'm talking about somewhere here, right? The market can come towards this level. So that's what I'll be looking at for, hopefully, on the Euro USD. But let me get out of here. What I actually wanted to share doesn't have to do with this stuff. So what I want to share here is let's look at AUD USD, right? Or let's look at CHF JPY. So CHF JPY right here, looking at the monthly chart right here. So the market is at a monthly resistance band area. So long term, as you guys can see here, resistance, support, resistance. So I'm expecting price to come all the way down to this level long term on the monthly chart, right? And for a very long time, many of us have been waiting to sell this market. But the market has been proving stubborn, right? It has been proving stubborn. It doesn't want to go down. But now I'm very certain that, well, not too certain. Then sorry about the noise, guys. I'm very sorry. All right, so once this candle closes below this green line for this new month, then we're going to see price come down here. And as it stands out right now, that is where I'm looking at price coming to. And price can also fall down to this level. All right, yeah. So this area here, okay. So we want to watch out at these levels. They are key important level. So once the weekly closes below this line, price is going to continue to push to this level. All right. Yeah. Once this candle closes bearish at this level, the next level is going to be here. The next candle is coming here. And finally here. So on the monthly, once the monthly tries to close at this level, and that's good news. Long-term price is going to come down here. All right. That's what I'm expecting. So now, this, in my own humble opinion, this sell, okay, this sell was a predicted sell. If you ask me, for this last week and this week was a predicted sell. And if you don't know, well, I'm here to share why I am saying it's a predicted sell. Okay, guys. So this was back in time, higher highs, higher low, right? And higher high, higher low, and higher high, and then we have higher low and higher high right here. Okay, and let me try to see if I can make it like this. So this is the lowest, okay, lowest low here. Higher highs, higher low, and higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, or new higher high. Now, yes. So this high is higher than this high, right? Okay. So now, once this low, okay, we have a lower low, right? Lower high, and the market sold. So once the market makes a new low, like lower low here, that is lower than this low here, you know, so it was a predicted sell, in my own humble opinion. Okay, let's not forget that we have a low here. Okay, make that green. Let me change it to this one. Yeah, we have a low. This dot line here was a low of this candle. Okay, and this candle here made a new low here. So automatically, this uptrend that we are looking at right here, all right, from this level all the way down like this, was terminated when the market created this low here on the weekly time frame. So, and that's the reason why I said this sell was a predicted sell on the smaller time frame. And, you know, trend line and trend line. All right. So once this market closed bearish candle, counter trend line break here and pushed up a little bit, you as a smart a trader would have been, you know, selling this market. Okay, once this market pushed all the way up here and started going down on the smaller time frame, no doubt you would have seen a bearish candlestick pattern on the maybe on the 1 hour, 4 hour chart. All right, now let's go to the 4 hour chart, for example, and let's take a look at right here. Can you see? Can you guys see that? Speaking about candlestick formation, or in other words, candlestick pattern, right? Right here. Let's adjust the trend line, okay? So this is the support. So let's make this difference. Yeah. Can you guys see that? So this was a shooting star on the 4 hour chart. This was a shooting star candle here. This. Just these two. That was a shooting star. All right. And if you want to use a counter trend line break, and this was a counter trend line break. Okay. Right here. And this was a counter trend line break. Let's see if it's not a counter trend line break. So this was a sell here, this candle here. All right. So once this candle closes bearish candle here, you start selling the market all the way. And look at a massive sell, right? And stop loss, if you wish, your stop loss could be here, if you wish, all right? But in my own humble opinion, to be better for stop loss to come towards this level here. That is where I'm going to put my stop loss. And I'm going to be risking 1-for-2 risk reward ratio like this. And let's see. The market is going to the downside. So talking about risk reward ratio, 1-for-2 is going to be somewhere here. And the market is falling down, right? Yes, it's falling down. But all the way from here to this level, you would have managed your profits. Yep, you would have managed your profit at this level. Okay. And keep holding some other position until the market hit profit target. It's that simple. And my friends, this is what I called micromanaging your chart. All right. So by the time the market gave you an opportunity to sell the market right down here, okay, at this area here, all right, you won't just decide because already the confirmation of the daily has been confirmed, all right, everything confirmed on the daily, yes. But you're not just going to come into the 4-hour, 1-hour chart, 30, 50-minute chart and just begin to sell. You're not going to do like that because it does not work that way. So after the analysis on the weekly, on the daily, you're going to come to the 4-hour time frame. If the 4-hour time frame is your trading time frame, all right, and you're just going to analyze the market on the 4-hour time frame before you take your entry. So on this counter trend line, you're going to put an alarm on this counter trend line. Okay, entry, sell signal, something like that. So once the market closes below this counter trend line, then you start selling the market. And if you are kind of a person that like to use system, for me, I like to use a system. So I already confirmed with my system. I forgot to put one other system. Let me put one other system. Uptrend, okay. So here we have the uptrend. So I'm going to, what am I going to do? Close this, close this, close this, close this one, and you. And what color am I going to use? Just play around the color if you like. So I'm going to use yellow for buy. Pink for sell. Yellow for the arrow signal for buy. And pink. All right. And I'm just going to click OK. So that is my uptrend. All right. So right here, already confirmed the sell. I already confirmed the sell previously, okay, which was number 1, bearish candlestick formation, evening star. The market crossed the uptrend and the Fibonacci colors, okay, you can see here, the candle is red, but with the Fibonacci, it changed to pink. That's another confirmation of the market selling and also crushing the uptrend. And at this level, the uptrend gave its signal for sell, all right? And it came out with the arrow for sell. You can see that? So that is one of the things I'm looking at there. And I have my super trend. And at this area, I have a super trend showing me a signal for sell right here, sell signal. And I have the cloud, okay, of the super trend moving average showing red, red, pink, 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 pink also. And the price is below all the signals, you know, right here. Although the market went up right here, but still pushed down to close below the super trend, right? Then finally, what happened? Again, after this buy to this upside, we have the market crushing the uptrend again at this level, okay, changing the color of the Fibonacci from red, supporting the red, the bearish candle, with pink color. That's another signal for sell. And I also have the same, you know, signal from the uptrend sell, and the arrow coming up right here again for that sell. And we can see how price stayed below all of those indicators and push price all the way to the downside. But before you would have capitalized on all of this sell on the 1-hour time frame, taking your entries from here to this level, you would have first of all, okay, confirm that sell properly well on the daily time frame, because the daily time frame controls price movement of the 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 and 5-minute chart. All right, good. So that is what you would have done all the way from the daily time frame. So the daily time frame is what we're going, because the daily time frame is the confirmation time frame. All right. So let's not forget that what we did was that we did this. So we make sure this is the daily, right? Yeah. So this is the daily. Okay, we did not come to the day. It was a weekly. It was a weekly that we used. Yeah, it was a weekly. So the weekly actually showed us everything. For example, you're looking to trade the market for the week, for the whole week. Let's not forget that this is the weekly candle, this one, this week, and this was last week. All right. So it was this week candle we would have been selling all the way, this week candle. And we would have also maybe be on this trade since last week and this week. Because like I said on the weekly, once we realize the market made this low, that is lower than this low here, that was a game changer. Okay. But then the market bought for 2 weeks, 1 and 2, before we saw a signal for sell, like this candle literally dropped to the downside and closed like this. This was a bearish pressure. So when the market even opened for the week, it pushed up a little bit, and finally it sold for last week. And this one did the same thing, and finally we are here. All right. So once we realize this market making this very important low right here, okay, that was lower than this low here, we can also look at it up on the what? On the daily, right? Right here. And we can clearly see what the daily, was doing back then. And this is where the, being careful of the markets comes to play from the daily standpoint of view. So after checking and confirming on the weekly, we also come to the daily. We can clearly see that previously on the daily, the market was in a downtrend, right? We can see right here, it's clear. So we have lower lows. We can see the market made a low right here that's lower than this low from here. So it was lower lows, lower high, and a lower low here, right? But then the market started making higher highs right at this junction. All right? From here, it did higher highs, higher lows, and higher high right here. We can clearly see that right here. Okay, so on the daily, let's not forget that this black line is from the it's from the weekly, right? But the daily short-term trend is here. All right, lower lows, lower high, lower low, right? So if we are to take the weekly off, we can also see that at this area, the market was making this lower lows here, lower high, and lower low here. Now, I want to show you why the market bought to the upside. Not the black line this time around. We're looking at this purple line. We have lower lows, lower high, and lower low. Then what happened? Let's not forget that this is the lower high here. Okay, that's the lower high. So what happened? The market started making, from this area, the market made this higher high at this junction that is higher than this high here, and higher low, and bang, higher high. And all right, that is where it stopped here. And we can change color to green, yellow. So the cause of this uptrend was as a result of the market taking out this low here. So automatically we are no longer in a downtrend anymore. We are in an uptrend, not a fully confirmed one, but at this point here, we are no longer in a downtrend because market made a higher high that is higher than this high here. And this is you, my friends, micromanaging your chart. Okay, micromanaging the chart. Okay, and what happened next? So on the daily, we can also see this is a confirmed high highs, high lows, high high, right? But then when it comes to micromanaging the chart, we also have, okay, from here, we also have the higher highs, higher low, higher high right here. So I'm going to take this one out and I'm going to see from here, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, right? But what happened at the end of the day, guys? This changed the narrative, breaking this higher low here. Then what happened? The market went in, retest up percent. Remember, this was a breakout, support and resistance. This was a breakout. All right, this was a breakout here. This was a breakout. So the market went in right here, okay, to test that level of price resistance. Okay, right here. It is very obvious. You can see that. All right. So the market came all the way here to retest this level of price resistance after the breakout retest, and we can see the massive fall from here on the daily. That's how many days? That's from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. For good 4 days, you and I would have been selling this market and we would have been making huge amount of profit. And I know that for some of you who are very smart, you already took this trade. And guess what? Me that is analyzing this market right now, I missed this. Why did I miss this? Is it because I don't know? I know, but I forgot that I was supposed to micromanage my chart in order for me to capitalize on this movement. All right, guys. So henceforth, please do me a favor, okay, and do yourself a favor. You want to begin to micromanage your chart henceforth. Your prediction for the monthly or the weekly direction for the month, the monthly direction for the month, the weekly direction for the week, or the daily direction for the day. You want to micromanage your charts, especially from the higher time frame, and you go to the smaller time frame to enter the market. Believe me, if you do this every single week, there is no week that is going to go by without you making pips in this market. I can guarantee you that. It's a guarantee. It's a fact. Yes. My mentor taught me this, and believe me, guys, it is huge for me. But, you know, I am taking it upon myself to share to the public my business to help all of us understand how this business is run, technically speaking. Okay, it is not a hidden secret. It's not supposed to be a hidden secret. All right, but a lot of people are hiding it from you. But for me, I'm here to show to you. So if you are interested, if you like, please hit the like button, okay, and subscribe to my channel. And in some few weeks to come, we're going to be trading live right here on YouTube. All right, guys. So this is what I want to share with you guys. And you can do this in all the 28 currency pairs. All right, in all the 28 currency pairs. All right, guys. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope this video benefits you and you make good use of it. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. From me to you, for now, I remain your humble Javian FS right on you. Put for now, it's bye-bye.